Good morning, students. How are you today? Let's begin our English lesson. Today is our new theme, Unit 5, Part 5A, Healthy Life, Lessons 39-40. The aim of the lesson: to study new words connected with healthy life and to practice for talking about bad habits. To speak about healthy life, to develop student speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Phonetic drill. Here we have some proverbs about health. Let's read them. Health is above wealth. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. After dinner sit a while, after supper walk a mile. So, let's do exercise 1A at page 75. Look at the words in the box. Here we can see pictures of Mr. Healthy and Mr. Unhealthy. What does Mr. Healthy like and what does Mr. Unhealthy like? First of all, let's read new words in the box. Walking to walk, fish, watching a lot of TV, chicken, hamburgers, coffee, chocolate, riding a bicycle, cookie, meat, juice, chips, eating fruit and vegetables, doing yoga, driving a car, drinking a lot of water, having breakfast. And now let's check what does Mr. Healthy like and what Mr. Unhealthy like. So Mr. Healthy likes walking to walk, fish, chicken, riding a bicycle, juice, eating fruit and vegetables, doing yoga, drinking a lot of water, having breakfast. And Mr. Unhealthy likes watching a lot of TV, hamburgers, coffee, chocolate, cookie, chips, driving a car, meat, having breakfast. And now let's do exercise 2A at page 76. David and Aigul discuss Mr. Healthy's habits. Let's listen.
Do you agree with them? How often do you think Mr. Healthy does all the things from the box?
Let's try to put them in order. Let's start with 100% always. I think he has breakfast every day. Do you agree?
Yes, I think you're right. What do you think he doesn't do every day, but maybe 90% of the time? I think he usually walks to work.
I agree with you. What's next? He often eats fruit and vegetables.
Yes, and he often eats fish and chicken. This food is healthy.
Okay. What about driving a car? Do you think he never drives a car?
I think he sometimes drives a car.
Well, fine. The next is 10%. He hardly ever eats meat.
Right. And the last number?
He never eats hamburgers.
Okay, and now let's fill the diagram. 100% always, 90% usually, 70% often, 30% sometimes, 10% hardly ever, and 0% never. Okay, and now let's see video about healthy foods.
Thanks for the meal! Yum, 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 eat it too! Yum, 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 healthy